Welcome to geometry practice. We're going to find the value of the variable x. It is the angle measure for angle ACB, or you can say BCA. This is an inscribed angle. Inscribed angle have its vertex on the circle, and the chords are its sides. The relationship between the measure of inscribed angle and its subtended arc is this inscribed angle measure is always half of this subtended arc measure. Therefore, we know arc measure, arc AB is 100. Therefore, x is 50. Let us look at this question. It asks us, what is the value of x? The value of x is inscribed angle, measure of angle FEG. And we're given the measure of angle GDF is 80. Both of them are inscribed angles. Now, both of them have the same intercepted arc. I am coloring it as green right here. So same intercepted arc, GF. That means these two inscribed angles are congruent. If they're congruent, they're going to have the same angle measure. Therefore, the missing angle measure is also 80 degrees. Let us continue. This time we're going to find the value of x and y's. Looking at this inscribed quadrilateral, we know that if it's inscribed quadrilateral, the relationship of these angles are opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, opposite angles are 4x plus 5x supplementary, it gives us 180. 9x is 180. X is 20 degrees. And then we look at these two, they're opposite angles. For inscribed quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, we have 11y plus 7y is 180 degrees. 18y is 180. That gives us y is 10. Let us continue. This time, ask us to find the value of x. Let us look at the diagram. We have a UW chord, the x chord. They intersected at one point, and one of the arcs says arc UX is 112 and arc VW is 130. How do we find this angle measure for this variable x? Very simple. All we need to do is we're going to add these two given measures and then divide it by 2. 112 plus 130 gives us 242. Divided by 2, we have 121. That is a situation we have two tangents and they have a common external point. We're going to find what is the measure of angle JKL, which is the variable x. We're given major arc JML is 230. We don't know what is minor arc JL, but we definitely can find out subtract, and we have 360 minus 230, we have 130. All right, how do we find this angle measure? We're going to do is major arc 230 minus minor arc 130, then divided by 2. So 230 minus 130, that's 100 divided by 2, and we have 50.